Right, in this question what we're going to be looking at is finding a gradient function for y and for sine x. So we've got the graph of f of x equals sine x. And the first thing we do, we're going to find the four values of the domain. So from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So minus 2 pi is here, 2 pi is here. Okay. And there's pi, minus pi, and here is pi. And we're going to look at where the gradient of the tangent line is equal to 0. So the gradient of the tangent line is 0 here. Scroll down a bit, and it's equal to 0 here, here, and here. So our gradient function crosses the axis at here, 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 and here. Now we're going to list the intervals where sine of x is increasing and where it is decreasing. So sine of x is increasing here, so the gradient is positive. So it's increasing here, it's decreasing here, so it's negative. And it's increasing here, so it's positive. Decreasing here, so it's negative. Increasing here, so it's positive. So it's increasing between, what's that, minus 3 pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Where else is it decreasing? So that's not increasing, it's decreasing, isn't it? That's right, decreasing. And decreasing between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. And it's increasing from minus 2 pi to minus 3 pi by 2. And it's increasing from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And increasing again from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi in our range. I'll probably put that, and I'm probably going to do that because actually it's going to carry on increasing there. It's going to carry on and it's still increasing there. Okay, so that's what's happening to f. So that gives us the sine of the derivative. And we're going to make a possible sketch of the derivative of fx. So if the gradient function is positive between here and here, and actually what we can see is that the steepest here, so it's going to achieve a maximum here. It's going to go down to 0 here. Now it's negative, so it's negative for all these values, but it comes back to 0 here. And at this point, actually, it's at the steepest, so it's probably going to have a maximum about here. And then it's the steepest here. And you can see it's positive all between here, so it's getting bigger, steeper, and then it's getting less steep. And then it's at the steepest point here. Now we don't know just from the sketch that it's going to be here, but unfortunately I do know that. And then it's going to be positive and it's going to have its maximum point about here. Okay, so this is going to be f dashed of x. Okay, we've drawn there the derivative of f of x equals sine x. And what you'll notice is it looks a lot like the cos of x. Where do the four tangent points fall in your graph for the derivative? Well, they fall exactly the same points, okay, as on cos x. So it could be that the derivative of sine x is just cos x.